Today we will learn about the disk pre command, which is df command in used in Linux. Okay, so there are different parameters we can use through df command. Df command is used to display the file system in Linux. Okay, like Windows we created different partition. In Linux also there are different parameters. To know about the partition, okay, there is a df command which is used to display all the file system information in blocks. Okay, other parameters is df-a display all the file system while created on OS installation. While we create the while we install the Linux OS, by default there are different file system which is created on that time. So to know all the file system in detail format, use df-a command. Okay, so next command is df space hyphen h. So display the file system in human readable form in MB or GB. Let's we will check through the practical. Okay, see df df command, this is the command. Okay, there is only shows the limited partition. Okay, now the my requirement is to display all the file system including, see, there is all the partition this created by the time of OS installation. Okay, so see here we cannot read these sizes. Okay, so we use to display in human readable form, we use df hyphen h command. So now we can read. See, this partition have, this is a root partition, have total size of 11 GB. We used only 1.1 GB and 9.8 GB is remaining. We use both command. Just the beauty of Linux is df hyphen ha. Okay, so H stand for human readable form, A stand for all. Okay, so using, this is the beauty of Linux. We use customize parameters to display all the information in human readable form. Okay, so see here you can see all the partition in human readable form, which is the next command. Now my requirement is to display the file system in KBs. df-k. See here you can see this is the size shows in KB, and my requirement is to show the file system inode number. Inode number is the unique number which is provided to every process. Okay, it's assigned to file also and and file system also. Okay, so df hyphen I, see it shows the inode number. See, every file system have a unique inode number, same as every file has a unique inode number. Okay, once the file is deleted, this that inode number is not allocated to another file or file system. This is uh, those file system is wastage wastage on that time. Okay, so and in file system there are different type of file system. To know the types of file system, we use df hyphen t. See, this is the it shows the type of file system. SDA2 has XFS file system, XFS. There are different type, around more than 100 types of file system in Linux, like ext3, ext4, btrfs, xfs. Okay, so so now my requirement is to display the file system. Those are xfs file system. Okay, so df hyphen t only xfs. I want to show only xfs file system. So for that df hyphen t xfs, so it's showing only xfs file system. And my requirement is to display only those means only file system expect xfs. Means i I want to not display the xfs file system. So for that, df hyphen x file system name. Okay, it shows expect xfs file system. So this is all regarding the disk free command. See here, df-t display all the types of file system, display file system of only xfs type. So we use df space hyphen t file system name xfs. It's maybe it's ext3 file system, ext4, those as per your or requirement. So my requirement is to display the file system expect xfs file system. For that we have to just use df space hyphen x and file system name. So this is all about the disk free command. Okay, thank you guys.